Hello everyone. In this video, we are giving short brief of the DBMS, and as you all know that DBMS is very important. Uh, it is very important for computer science student, and because the concept of DBMS is very uh, important regarding interview, because so many when we talk about the company like Amazon's, Facebook, TCS, all have a particular database, so they want to hire to handle the database. So basically, first of all, we start with the definition. What is database management system? So its name suggests that database means collections of data on any platform, right? So in clear terms, we can say it has a collections of operation. It performs collections of operations which provide easier to users so that users can easily perform it. Basically, which type of operations it perform? That is a question. So basically, they perform simple. When we talk about in simply in general terms, so insertion, deletions, and updations of any user ID, whatever the database, whatever we in which hierarchy we are using. When we talk about our trains in Indian Railways train, so they have own database and they are storing the data of user in their own way. As you see the when you go for ticket in a railway platform on a railway station, so you observe that in the ticket, yeah, when you open a mobile app, you also see here that there is some train number, train name, timing, distance of durations. That is what is this? This is a database of our Indian railway system, that is observed, that is fetched by all users in our country very easily. How it is possible? It is possible by the help of database, because they store the data very structured manner so that we can easily fetch any types of detail that we want. That is a database. So in previously we are storing the data using file system, but right now we are using to store data on the DBMS. So why we shift from file system to DBMS? This is a questions which we discuss in next video. Thank you.